In this video, I'll show you how to customize bullets in Canva. First, open Canva and go into your project. Type your text as you normally would. Once your text is ready, click on the text box to select it. Then look for the List button in the top toolbar and click on it. Each click cycles through different options, so you can toggle between bulleted lists and numbered lists until you find the style you want. In Canva docs and certain templates, the list icon will expand to show more choices. From there, you can switch between standard bullets, checkboxes, or numbered formats. Checkboxes work great for planners and task lists, while numbered lists are perfect for step-by-step instructions. Now adjust your spacing to make your list easier to read. Click the spacing icon in the toolbar. Line spacing controls the vertical distance between each bullet point. Increasing it makes your list look cleaner and less crowded. Letter spacing adjusts the space between characters, which can improve readability. Next, use the alignment tool to position your list. Left aligned is the most readable option for longer lists. Centered works well for titles and minimal designs. Justified gives a clean column edge for a more formal look. Now, here's how to give your bullets a different color from your text. First, highlight the entire list and change the color to whatever you want the bullets to be. Then, separately highlight the text only and change it to your desired text color. This way, the bullet color stays separate from the text color. If Canva resets the bullet color after you change the last word in a line, just reselect the full line, reapply the bullet color, and then recolor the text again. That is how you do it.